We found it. It's standing up.
We have lift on the harness.
Confirmed. Depth decreasing slowly.
Holding at 1 meter per minute.
All right then. All right then.
This patina is beautiful, William. It's the difference between scar tissue and memory.
I see your point, but the machine's essential nature requires the Venetian red.
The discovery confirms the date was 1972. Are you still there?
I had one once, a beautiful red one. The ocean took it.
He would be completely impossible about this.
There you are.
She wants more throttle than that. She wants a proper road.
The casting tolerances they achieved in Milwaukee back then, truly remarkable. Look at the precision on this manifold.
I found it. It was standing up.
We take the ferry across here, then it's gravel all the way to Juneau.
Agreed. We stick to the machine's rhythm.
And I'll be right behind you with the spares.
It feels strange, doesn't it? After all this time.
Almost over.
A pocket of quiet around the machine, a sense of something suspended between moments for 8 decades.
Keep it moving, folks. Watch your step on the ramp.
Base, this is Van 1, radio check. We are clear of the ferry.
That's a 36.
Is that a Harley?
Yes, it is.
After the ferry to Vancouver Island, we head north. The bike's running fine.
Look at this postcard from Margaret. It says, I found it. It was standing up.
Visibility remains low. Yeah, the turnoff for the hot springs coming up in about a mile. Keep steady.
My granddad had one like this. Rode it to Portland in '52. The rain was heavy, but he made it through.
Look at this, William. It's the exact same pattern.
8 to 7 years, and they haven't changed a bit.
What year is the motorcycle and where are you headed? It's a 1936, recently restored. We're on our way to Juneau. Safe journey. Beautiful machine.
So, Highway 1 to Nanaimo for the ferry.
Then the sea to sky up to Lillooet.
It's a long haul, but worth it.
What year?
1936.
Seattle Ocean Recovery, Restoration, now to Alaska.
My uncle had a bike like that. Died on it, 1972. Still miss him.
Is this an original restoration?
No charge for the story.
Tomorrow we hit the Icefields Parkway. It's about 200 miles of spectacular views. And after that, it's straight up to Edmonton.
We head north through Edmonton, then the Alaska Highway from Dawson Creek.
Mechanical check is complete.
We're good to go.
The lighting is incredible this morning.
Radio check, William. Everything steady back there? Loud and clear, Priya. Just eating up the miles.
Drove this in '72. Took a week, now 3 days. Progress, I guess.
The old girl handled those grades well.
And here it is, permanently part of the forest now.
Everything in order here?
Yes, sir. Just heading down to the ferry terminal.
All right, welcome to Alaska. The Eagles are running thick right now.
He would be completely impossible about this.
You drink it slow, but the lips must touch the toe.
Okay, here we go. I did it.
Ooh, that's rank.
I honestly didn't think we'd make it through those washboards.
To the top of the world!
Is this the original engine from the 1930s?
How long did the ride up take you?
You came back. Through everything, you came back. He knew. He always knew.